crazy adventures. Hello. I guess I'm doing the intro on my own, but we're on a bike ride today. Oh no. We're on a bike ride today. And we're going to different parks and we'll rate them. And then in the comments you can tell them what you rate them. Hello guys. We're on our way to the first park. No, we just made it past the park. Past the park. And my dad decided not to. Hello guys. Dad, stop! No, it's rocking! Stop that! Don't go! No!
That's Asher.
Park number 1, what do you guys rate it? Okay, now we stopped at McDonald's. Got some McFlurries. I got a mini egg one. Hi.
I won't reg-
My legs are hurting. Push through it. Can I go? Do this. You see those muscles? Ah! This should be the pretty first part. Actually, jump on it! Smile!